This workshop is about an initial review in St. Lucia on a new standard, a new occupational safety and health standard. It's an international consensus standard that's named ISO 45001. And St. Lucia worked on the development of that standard. And and we were one of the partners in the development of the standard, but there are other countries that were involved. And in St. Lucia, our group included key stakeholders, within, St. Lucia, different workplaces in St. Lucia. The standard provides a framework for the management of occupational safety and health at the workplace. It contains guidelines for establishments, workplaces where people work, to protect people from injury, ill health, and occupational diseases. So there are different guidelines in different areas where you have a system in place. You put processes in place, to prevent people from being injured while they're on the job. So they include like management, commitment, which is the most important aspect of that management system. There is, the establishment of the occupational safety and health policy. There is the planning phase of the standard. There is training, there is auditing, there are different aspects. It covers how you manage your occupational safety and health, of workers, and the target is workers. The most important component is protecting the workers. There have been other occupational safety and health standards before, but this is the first one that St. Lucia is working towards adoption of, because people have health and safety systems in place to manage safety, but this one is a standard. This is accepted, globally. It's an international standard. So this is relatively new to St. Lucia. So we are hoping that this will catch on, and the different workplaces and key stakeholders will understand the importance of this standard and how that could lead to improvement of the management of occupational safety and health at the workplace. It is not a legal requirement for you to adopt the standard, but it is best practice. It is helpful to organizations because it gives you a framework for you to manage health and safety at the workplace. And if you meet a standard, that means you are doing all of the important things, the key things to make sure that workers are safe when they come to your workplace. Well, there are several key stakeholders. There are non-government organizations, there's private organizations, there are the labor organizations, and of course people from the Bureau of Standards present today. It is important that workplaces, organizations manage the health and safety of workers to ensure that people who workers are not affected by hazards at the workplace, and then there's a system in place to manage those hazards and manage the risk that's posed by those hazards at the workplace, to ensure that when people come to work, that people return home the same way that they come in every single day.